Hello student. Yesterday we are finished the unit number 1. Now we are start unit 2 classification. Let's understand in this unit the things which are in our surrounding are given, and we know that these things are having similar properties, means which are the things in our surrounding, they are having some common characteristic, and on that basis they are classified into different groups. We know that about their characteristic needs general knowledge about that things, and the questions under this topic is help the student to develop the ability of analytical reasoning and observation. In this classification we need to observe the carefully, find out the reasons behind the given words, and analyze that which word is are different from that group. From this subunit 2.1 vocabulary. Vocabulary means we know that the words which are used in English, and from this we know that about the synonyms, anatomies, proverbs, gender. About this we know that all information to solve this unit. Student must know about the scientific inventions, biographies of scientists, scientific information about plants, animals, metals and non-metals, etc. And also student must be good in social studies. He must know historical events, important dates, year. So for this classification unit we know that the general knowledge about the all subject. Illustrative examples. Question number 1 to 7, direction. Find the odd terms, means you have to find the odd term from this given words. See question number 1, sad, joy, sorrow and unhappy. See the synonyms of sorrow, unhappy, sad, these are the synonyms of each other, means they are having same meaning, but joy is a different word, its meaning is the happy. Second option, that's why the option 2 is correct. Question number 2, grams, minute, meter, liter. From this the minute is measuring unit of time, and other is the to measure the things. So the option 2 is the correct option for this question. Then third one, lungs, liver, intestine and gullet. See, for this we know about the our digestive system. Organs of digestive system, liver, intestine and gullet. But lung is the respiratory system organ. That's why the option 1 is the odd term from this given word. Then question number 4, Ganga, Godavari, Krishna and Narmada. From these the rivers meeting Bay of Bengal is Ganga, Godavari and Krishna. but Narmada is goes to meeting to the towards the Arabian Sea. That's why the Narmada river is the different river from this given river. See, this question number 4 is from the geography. So for the solving this question, we know that just general knowledge about the all subject. Then question number 5, municipality, Jilla Parishad, municipal corporation and Gram Panchayat. See, the municipality, municipal corporation and Gram Panchayat is the local governing bodies, but the Jilla Parishad is the looking under the administrative of district. That's why these are the different word from these given numbers. Like this, there are the questions, and also same questions are in the practice set 2.1. Find the autumn. It's very simple and easy practice set is there. See the question number 1, curd, ghee, jaggery and butter. See the curd, ghee and jaggery are the butter are the milk product, but the jaggery is the product of sugarcane. Jaggery means the we are using in our home that gul. It means gul. That's why the autumn is jaggery. Then question number 2, January, May, June and October. From these, the January, May and October are having the 31 days in their month, but the June are 30 days. So the option is third. Then radish, carrot, beetroot and the onion. From these, the radish is the radish, carrot, beetroot is the roots of the vegetables, but the onion is the fruit of that vegetable, and that's why the onion is the are different word. Then editor, daily, fortnightly and the monthly. From this, the editor is the different word. Like this, there is a 16 questions and you have to solve this in your notebook. Thank you.